Good evening, I'm Alicia Richards.
I'm Valerie Pritchett. Thank you for joining us. The state Supreme Court made a major ruling late today. Undated mail-in ballots will not count.
That's what's the election 1 week from today. Tonight, we have reaction and analysis. Brian Munoz joins us with our top story. Brian?
The ruling came today in a case brought by state and national Republicans. The PA Supreme Court has now spoken on the issue. Pennsylvania's highest court has reached a decision in one of its most closely watched voting rights battles.
There are justices that are sort of philosophically certain directions, right and left, but it's never easy to predict where a court is going to land on an issue just like this.
The state Supreme Court has ordered counties not to count mail-in ballots that either have incorrect dates or no dates at all on their envelopes. The Wolf administration has insisted undated or misdated mail-in ballots should be counted. But the High Court says state law clearly says they are to be signed and dated, therefore cannot be accepted. The court says it is evenly split 3-3 on whether counting those ballots violates federal law.
And that's what happens when you have a court with even numbered members. That's why we have a Supreme Court of 9 and a Pennsylvania Supreme Court of 7. So you don't have ties. It's just an unfortunate result of the recent death of former Chief Justice Behr.
Former federal judge John Jones says legislative races all over PA and the hotly talked about Senate race could be affected by this ruling.
If this is a razor close race and just look at the polls and you see what the polls say, I think there's every chance that this litigation continues, but it continues in federal courts.
The Pennsylvania GOP House responded to today's announcement, saying, in part, dates matter and the dating of important documents has been a critical tool in officiating the legality of documents for centuries. The PA Department of State also said in a statement today they are reviewing today's order and advise voters to carefully follow all instructions on their mail ballot and to double check it before returning it. Live in the newsroom, Brian Munoz, ABC 27 News.
Thank you, Brian.